Supporting the mission, sustaining the vision. The Lourdes Hospital Foundation exists to support Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital in its mission of providing the highest quality health care in the holy tradition of St. Vincent de Paul and the Daughters of Charity. Our Catholic health ministry is dedicated to spiritually centered, holistic care, which sustains and improves the health of individuals and communities. We are advocates for a compassionate and just society through our actions and our words.
My name is Robert O'Connell, President of the Lourdes Hospital Foundation here in Binghamton, New York. The Lourdes Hospital Foundation exists to support Lourdes Hospital in its mission of compassionate, loving healthcare. That mission, which began many years ago in 1925 when 4 members of the Daughters of Charity came to Binghamton to set up a hospital on the west side. All of what we do is to assist Lourdes Hospital in its mission of compassionate, loving healthcare here in Binghamton.
My name is Dr. Tom Oven. I've been in the community for the past 32 years, and I've been a member of the Lourdes medical staff for 32 years. Without the support of the Lourdes Foundation, it would not be possible to provide some of the primary care and specialty services that we do for all members of our community. Purchasing equipment and with constructing Vestal Complex on Shippers Road in Vestal help to improve access for all the patients in our community to the various services that we provide.
My name is Dr. James A. Terzian. I'm the Medical Director of Pathology and Laboratory here at Lourdes Hospital. It's important to donate to the foundation, which supports the mission, the vision, and the values of this institution. Whether it's buying an important piece of equipment like the Da Vinci robot, for its general support of things like the Hope Dispensary, and also for outreach communities who aren't right here in Binghamton proper. Supporting that mission, supporting the values, building the network that allows us to generate excellent services for patients, a lot of that comes from the foundation itself.
My name is Sister Marilyn Perkins, and I'm the Vice President for Mission Integration here at Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital in Binghamton, New York. The Lourdes Foundation is certainly a blessing for us to be able to help us continue to provide high-quality care from a technical perspective, but also from a human perspective. The Lourdes Foundation is an important element of the ministry here at Lourdes, helping us to find the financial means to provide for those who perhaps lack the ability to purchase them.
My name is Lisa Shepard. I work for the Lourdes Foundation. I am the executive assistant in the office, and I've been working here for just over 5 years. I find it to be a very rewarding experience to work for the Lourdes Foundation and to work in conjunction with Lourdes Hospital. It really is a very rewarding experience for me to be able to help these people when they really have nowhere else to turn. And I feel that the Lourdes Foundation is such a great support for the hospital in that way.
I'm Dr. Lisa Harris. I am Senior Vice President for Physician Services for the Medical Affairs and Chief Medical Officer. And so if you're really trying to live the mission, then you have to contribute to the foundation. If you're going to walk the walk and talk the talk, then you have to be integrally involved in the mission of the foundation.
My name is Bob Ahern, and I run the Ahern Foundation here in the Triple Cities. Our geographical location is Broome County. We need 2 good things in this community. You know, a good library and a good hospital. This is your good hospital right here.
My name is Scott Craig. I am originally from South Africa. My main thought process of joining the Lourdes Foundation, I've been part of the board now for 3 years. Joining the Lourdes Foundation is equivalent to supporting the quality of care that is the mission of Lourdes Hospital. It is an essential and vital part of our community.
My name is Miles Santecco. I've worked as a volunteer for 30 years at Lourdes, and I've also been a member of the foundation board for the past 4 years. And anyone who can volunteer or contribute gifts to the foundation, really consider it. Even small amounts can be more rewarding than just plain satisfaction.
I'm proud to have been able to work with the foundation to generate funds that support those mission projects.
Lourdes Hospital is very dedicated to our community. We have been in this community for nearly 100 years. We have been very successful in extending our services well beyond the walls of Lourdes Hospital. Furthermore, we look forward to continuing to serve this community for many years to come.
As the president of the Lourdes Hospital Foundation, it certainly is a great feeling to be part of that whole healing process. Especially at Lourdes, it is a special place to work and to support.
The Foundation seeks to raise funds for the benefit of various programs, projects, and departments within Lourdes Hospital and beyond. The purpose of the Lourdes Foundation is to solicit and to receive contributions and make distributions to Lourdes Hospital. The hospital holds as basic to its service our core values: service of the poor, reverence, integrity, wisdom, creativity, and dedication.